Alright people, what's up? This video is going to be short, sweet, to the point. It's going to be on a common movement, very common movement that you find in your up-tempo gospel music, your faster songs, your praise and worship, even your shout music. It's so common that you hear it all the time. But if you're a beginner, you're just learning out, you're just starting out, you can't really pick it up that easy because it's coming so fast. Believe me, it's all over the place. One newer song that you can find it in, from the beginning to the end, is Donnie McClurkin when he does his praise and worship songs medley. Start out with "I love Jesus, He's my Savior," "I love the Lord," and "Jesus, no other name under heaven can save us." Whole medley he do. This movement is in that entire song from front to back. It's in the songs from the old days. It's in the congregational type shout music, whatever. It's all over the place. So here, I'm going to show you this movement in the key of F. And since it's a fast song, we're going to do an F minor. Okay? Usually play a minor key in faster songs. Okay, blues scale, by the way, is here. I'm not going to call out notes. I'm going to use strictly numbers and location. That way, if you want to transpose this, because you're going to have to transpose it. F is not the only key you're going to need this in. E flat, A flat, to name two. Very common. So you got to practice this. E flat, A flat to begin with, and F. So I'm going to call out the location. 1, blues scale is 1, minor third, fourth, 4.5, or sharp 4, flat 5, whatever you want to call it. It's the note in between the 4 and the 5. So sharp 4, flat 5, either way you want to call it. 5, dominant 7, and 1. That's the blues scale. Okay? So the movement goes like this. Starts from the 3 and it moves up to the 6. Okay? I know I said I was in minor, but this is the major third. I'm still going to play in a minor key, but you start this movement off in the major 3. And you walk that up to the 6 on both hands, right hand simultaneously. Now the left hand is going to be playing a circle of fifths. 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. Okay? 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. That's all the left hand is going to be doing. And then here, the right hand is going to be doing all the work. Okay? Back to 1. However you want to play your 1. Okay? So, try to slow that down. 3, half steps all the way up to 6. You notice how that first thing the right hand does is walk backwards? When it hits that 6, it walks back to the 5. Then 4 to the flat 5. While the left hand is doing the circle of fifths. Over to the 2. Then 6, 1, minor third, back to the 2. 1, 6, 1. Okay? Okay? While the left hand is just walking up and doing a circle of fifths. You can also, I'm going to show you this, but you can practice it this way as a beginner or whatever to get your fingering and your dexterity going good. But You can also do this on the left hand, but you know that you got to build up to this. You play the note half a step in front of the note you're going to hit. So you go. Okay, you do that on the left hand. You're still a circle of fifths, only instead of just playing the 2, 5, 1, you don't. Okay, but like I said, you're gonna have to build up, practice that. With the right hand, the 3 to the 6, back to the 5, 4 up to the half, 6, 1, minor third, down to the 2, 1, 6, 1. Okay? Then you're going to play your chords, which is you're going to play the major 3 as a diminished chord. Then play the 4 as a major. Then play that flat 5 as a diminished. Then play the 5 as a major. Then you're going to end off with the major 7, minor third, 4th, and dominant 7 over on the right hand. At the same time, you're playing the 5 on the left. Okay? I hope I didn't confuse anybody. You know, you can go back and rewind the video and slow it down or whatever, just in case. But the chords are as follows. I mean, the sound is as follows. Back to your 1, your minor 1. Now I use the number system and the major minor thing on purpose. That way transposing should be no problem. If you write it down, you write your minor thirds instead of writing A, then you transpose this to the key of E flat. Now I got, okay, what is the A transpose it down to E? No, you don't worry about all of that. E flat, if you know minor third and E flat, you go immediately to that G flat. Okay? If you're in A flat, you know minor third, then you're going to go immediately to the B. Okay? So, you know, that is just a little trick that you can use to enhance your fast music, your up-tempo, your shout music, all of that. It goes everywhere like a universal turnaround. That is something that, as a beginner or somebody just starting out, it is very beneficial for you to learn. All right? All right, peace out.